Hello, and welcome back to the Duncan Intelligence, the premier place to get valuable technical tips and advice on topics and trends in business aviation. I'm Joe Vavrina, and I'm glad you've joined us. We cover a wide variety of topics this month. Let's get started. We started a new series in the Duncan Intelligence called Talking to the Principal. Although the principal owner of an aircraft is often not involved in the day-to-day operations, they do keep a sharp eye on the bottom line and from time to time want to know more about the cost of maintenance and service of their aircraft. This series gives directors of maintenance and airframe technicians valuable information to quickly and satisfactorily address their questions. This month, in Talking to the Principal, we discuss commercial off-the-shelf units, or better known as COTS. The article compares COTS to aircraft-grade units and the pros and cons of having them installed on your aircraft. Honeywell released this service bulletin in November of last year to address oil leaks, low oil pressure, and in-flight shutdown events on some model TFE 731 engines. Only an authorized Honeywell service facility is able to perform this work. Good news! Duncan Aviation is a Honeywell authorized service facility. Read this article to learn if this service bulletin is applicable to your aircraft. Then pick up the phone and give us a call. If you operate a Hawker aircraft, then you already know the main landing gear Sidestay clearances change due to normal wear and need to be readjusted. However, before making these adjustments, pay close attention to the link assembly lock. It may be time to replace it. I recommend you read this article to get some more specific information about what to look for when performing this minor adjustment. Control rod assemblies and their associated actuators play an important role in the flight of any aircraft or helicopter. They need to be able to respond immediately to the pilots as well as flight control system inputs. If these units are ever pulled for operational failure, they should be sent in immediately for evaluation. The longer they sit on a shelf, the more likely corrosion will invade the internal parts, potentially causing more problems at disassembly. If the control rod assembly has to be kept in storage for long periods of time, read this article to learn the proper conditions needed to keep your assembly protected. Next, you'll want to catch our most recent Duncan Aviation Straight Talk webinar. Duncan Aviation and Universal Avionics experts discuss flight management system upgrades. Click on the links and sign up now. That is all for the January Duncan Intelligence. I appreciate you joining us, and we'll see you again next month.